My water stays cold all day.
Stop paying thousands for UGC creators. This influencer isn't real, but her conversion rates are. Today, I'm revealing the God tier stack: Nano Banana Pro and VEO 3.1 inside Google Flow. I'm giving you my private Gemini gems to automate the entire prompt engineering. Let's build a viral ad from scratch. Look, the AI-looking AI is dead. If your influencer looks like a Pixar character, your conversion rate is going to 0. Today, we're doing things differently. I'm showing you the exact workflow to create authentic UGC that actually sells. Here's the 3-step blueprint we're covering today. First, influencer mastery. We're using Nano Banana Pro inside Google Flow to create influencers and even lock in a consistent face. But here's the secret sauce. We are ditching the cinematic look. No more perfect skin or studio lighting. We want the girl next door. We want natural, slightly messy, just woke up realism. Because in 2026, authenticity is the new currency. Second, natural motion. We'll take that static image and breathe life into it using VEO 3.1. I'll show you how to generate those subtle human imperfections, the micro expressions, the natural hand jitters that make people forget they're watching an AI. And third, the SOP engine. I'm literally giving you my 2 private Gemini gems. One for turning product photos into pro-level prompts, and another that writes your entire VEO storyboard. Total automation. And a quick reality check. If you're still manually typing every single prompt word by word, honestly, you are so 2024. It's time to upgrade your brain. Let's dive into the first gem. All right, let's get our hands dirty. Step 1 is about moving from a raw product to a high-converting scene. I'm opening my private UGC Image Prompt Master gem. This isn't just a prompt generator. It's a marketing strategist trapped in a box. Watch this. I'm dropping in a simple photo of this minimalist insulated bottle. No fancy lighting, just a basic shot. I'll add a 1-sentence description about its eco-friendly tech. Now pay attention to this. I'm setting Gemini to thinking mode. Why? Because we want it to actually analyze the target audience, not just describe the bottle. Look at what's happening. In seconds, it's not just giving me one prompt, it's building a product analysis. It identifies our vibe: clean girl aesthetic, Gen Z wellness enthusiasts, the monetize with AI branding. This is how you win the algorithm, by being hyper-targeted. Now look at these 3 viral scenarios it just spit out. The post-yoga glow. It knows that wellness content is king right now. A 24-year-old mixed-race woman, natural window light, messy bun. That's authentic. The day in the life car. Selfie. It even includes the seatbelt and the cream-colored hoodie for that on-the-go influencer look. The WFH Deskscape, a tech-focused aesthetic setup. Each one of these is a different hook for a different segment of your audience. All right, we have our strategy. Now let's turn those words into high-end assets. I'm grabbing the first scenario, the post-yoga glow. Notice how detailed this prompt is? It's not just a girl with a bottle. It's about the lighting, the messiness, and the exact mood. Now, we head into Google Flow. This is where the magic happens. I'm firing up a new project and dropping in the Nano Banana Pro node. First things first, we're uploading our original product photo. This ensures the bottle stays 100% consistent with the real thing. Then, I'm setting the aspect ratio to 9:16. If you're making UGC for TikTok or Reels, this is non-negotiable. I'll paste our yoga prompt and let the engine roar. Check this out. Look at the skin texture. Look at how her fingers actually grip the bottle naturally. No AI plastic look here. This looks like a frame from a $2,000 professional photo shoot, but it cost us literally pennies. But one scene isn't an ad campaign. Let's pivot. I'm grabbing scenario 2, the day in the life car selfie. I'll swap the prompt but keep the product reference. This is what I love about Nano Banana Pro. Look at that natural sunlight filtering through the windshield. The seatbelt detail, the hoodie. It's so lo-fi that it's H. But here's the real God mode trick that separates the pros from the amateurs. I don't want a new girl for the next scene. I want the same girl in a new location. Watch this. I'm clicking our yoga girl and setting her as the image reference. Now, I'm heading back to Gemini to grab scenario 2, the day in the life car selfie. I'll paste it, but notice how the AI is now anchored to her face. Look at the result. It's the exact same person, same facial structure, same vibe. But now she's strapped in a car with natural sunlight hitting her face. This is how you build a digital brand ambassador. You can now put her in 100 different locations, and your audience will start to recognize her. That is how you build trust and drive conversions. We've mastered the visuals, and we've locked in the character. But static photos are just the first half of the battle. To truly stop the scroll, we need motion. Let's take these consistent assets and bring them to life using VEO 3.1. Images are great, but in the attention economy, motion is non-negotiable. I am downloading the image and head over to Gemini again. Here is the point. This is the second SOP gem system I am talking about. Click in. And don't forget, choose thinking mode again. Upload the image downloaded from Google Flow. Input ideas you want. And boom, you see? It not just simply gives you full VEO prompt, but it also acts as a director analysis for you. Even give you some tips for editing. Now I'll copy the 8-second prompt generated by our second Gemini gem. Back to Google Flow, click Animate, paste prompt. Watch the result. The lip sync is perfect, the eyes have life, and the product is front and center. This is a high-performing 8-second UGC hook that you can deploy right now. But what if you need more? For testimonial ads, 8 seconds isn't enough. Here's the fix. The VEO Extend feature. Back to Gemini chat. Input like, make it 24 seconds long. Your director starts to analyze and break this down into 3 segments and prompts, and pro editing tips as well. Now I just need to copy prompt into Flow. I will start with first segment. And once done, simply click on your video, select Extend, and input the second segment prompt. It maintains the character, the lighting, and the environment perfectly, giving you a seamless 16 or 24-second narrative. No more awkward jump cuts. And in the final 3 segments, I got a 22-second video in the same scene.
My water stays cold all day. Who? No refills, no stress. I filled this up this morning and it's still ice cold after my entire workout. If you need an emotional support water bottle that actually works, this is it.
Or get longer video for different scenes.
All day, no refills, no stress. My morning commute just got a major upgrade, and it actually fits in the cup holder.
Now, let me share a pro secret I haven't seen anyone else talk about. Instead of generating one character, I use Nano Banana to create a 2x3 feature grid, showing different angles of the bottle and its textures. Then, I bring this grid into VEO 3.1 and tell it to activate the scene. Look at this. It creates a dynamic, montage-style video where the water pours and the textures shimmer, all within a single frame. This is pure eye candy that high-end brands usually pay thousands for. And you just did it in Google Flow with one prompt.
My morning commute just got a major upgrade, and it actually fits in the cup holder.
By combining character consistency with these duration hacks and montage tricks, you're not just using AI, you're running a professional production house from your laptop. Now look, knowing the tech is one thing, but knowing how to monetize it is what separates the hobbyists from the entrepreneurs. You're not just making videos, you're building a scalable content engine. Let's run the numbers. A traditional UGC creator charges anywhere from $150 to $500 per video. Plus, you wait a week for delivery. With the Nano Banana plus VEO 3.1 stack, your cost per video drops to literally cents. No shipping products, no ghosting creators, no reshoot fees. This is pure margin. Here is how you scale this. Paid ads. Run these on TikTok and Meta ads. The secret to winning in 2026 is creative testing. Use My Gems to generate 50 variations of one product and let the algorithm find the winner. Affiliate marketing. Build an automated Amazon finds or review channel. Link your products in the bio. Since the cost of production is near zero, you can flood the niche with high-quality content. Agency services. Sell these AI UGC packages to brands. They get the same high-converting look for a fraction of the price, and you get a recurring retainer. Think about it. You now officially own a 24/7 non-stop creative production team that never sleeps, never complains, and delivers on demand. The bottleneck is no longer the budget or the talent. The only limit left is your creativity. I don't want you to just watch this. I want you to build this. I've packaged both of my private Gemini gems into a single AI UGC starter kit. You can grab the link in the top comment or the description below. Stop guessing, start prompting. Also, free sources I used in the video, you can grab from the doc file for free too. Now you've seen what Nano Banana and VEO 3.1 can do in Google Flow. But if you want to be a true AI UGC master, you need to see how this compares to Sora 2. In this video right here, I solved the character consistency problem in Sora 2 and showed how to break the time limit to create full 30-second skincare ads. It's a completely different workflow with equally mind-blowing results. Go watch that next to see which engine, VEO or Sora, is the winner for your specific product. I'll see you over there.